If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for energy transfer with the ticker symbol ET. This was a viewer's request and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis, I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Energy Transfer LP, and my first impressions are that since the beginning of this year we have been inside of an uptrend, which I can draw with a channel. I'll show you guys that right now. So this is the uptrend channel that prices have been respecting. So this fits pretty good against the price action. So where are we going next? Well, we have this nice uptrend channel in play. However, if I scroll to the left of the chart, you can see that we're stumbling and having a hard time getting past this previous high point in the market. So put a horizontal line there. So you can see that we got rejected back over here. We sold off a little bit, but the uptrend still continued to push up prices. We sold off again. Now we went back below this level, and then we went up again, but we got back below this level. So it looks like we're kind of trading sideways, but I'm expecting us to pull back lower because we are struggling to push up higher, and we already bounced several times from this support side of the channel. So something has to give, and there's a good chance it's probably going to be this resistance because we have already made two legs up. You can see this was the first leg up right here, and this was the second leg up. And pretty much right near the tip of this arrow, you can see that price is having a hard time pushing through right around this $12.09 level. Now we sold off. We're having a hard time getting back above the EMA and staying above it, so we could see another leg down. So that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. So if we do get another leg down, where are we going? It's right at the $9.71 level, and it does make sense because it's at the starting point of this entire up move. So they could pull back all the way over here. And also there's a nice support that could turn around prices right around this $9.61 level. So I think we can get a break of this pattern. Is there a chance that we just continue to push up higher? There is, but I see more signs why we should break down lower than go higher. But we could still push up higher. And if we do, where are we going? Well, we can make a measured move up. And the target that I would have is right at the $12.20 level, $12.27 level, which is pretty much back near this all-time high for this up move. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Looks like we had an uptrend with two legs up, and now we're starting to see prices kind of stall out and kind of go sideways. So we could see another leg down, and that would make sense because it's right near a strong support and the start of this up move. But if this channel is strong enough to hold and the uptrend momentum keeps on holding up prices, we could get another leg up back up to that $12.25 level and maybe a new all-time high. So there's a couple ways we can go, but I just don't like how we're kind of hanging around at the support side of the channel. Usually you want to see it, you want to see big pushes, large impulses, kind of like what we happen here when we bounce from the support side or near strong support. We want to see big pushes up, you know, not hanging around near the support. We're not really seeing rejection, we're just kind of seeing acceptance at this level. So we want to see rejection, not us hanging around. So that's also another sign that could lead us to breaking down lower. We'll have to wait and see though. But that's everything I see on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for ET, and just because I believe price action will go down lower, that doesn't mean we won't go up from there. So it's very there's a strong possibility to continue this upward momentum that we've been inside of since March of 2020, because if I scroll to the left of the chart, you can see that back here in 2020 we were pretty much near the all-time lows for this stock. So there's just a higher probability for prices to go up than down, especially since energy prices are skyrocketing across the globe. So we have this nice uptrend channel. This is the major pattern, and I can also do another channel for the micro uptrend pattern for this year. So I'll put that with the orange channel. So we are struggling to get back or past this high. put a horizontal line to show you guys. So we're struggling to get past this high. Usually in an uptrend, we continue to push past the previous high. So whenever we start stalling out, that could lead to a reversal, or at least a temporary one. So I think prices want to pull back. I believe they want to come back to this strong support level, and then from there we could probably see a rebound back up. Either way, I'm still pretty bullish on this stock and energy itself, because we can make another large leg up. And if we do that, as long as we don't break below this $8 level, this target holds to the upside, and it's right at the 15 or 1582 or the $16 level. So still a lot of upward reward left, but I'm expecting a breakdown first, just to probably trap in shorts before we see a rebound up. Now we could continue to push up higher. We do have this macro and micro channel working higher, but just since we made 2 legs up, we're kind of stalling out at this previous high point, and it does look like the price action wants to drop down just a little bit further. Maybe we don't go back all the way down to that $9 and something level. Maybe we start finding support at the $10 level. That's another possibility. We don't have to go all the way back down, but I'm expecting a little bit of pullback before we continue much higher. So that's everything I have for ET. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.